Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. Man, it feels good to be back with you guys again. We've had a massive project going on this summer, and it's just about come to conclusion, so we're looking forward to getting back to this. Today we are here at the Concord showroom. This is my home base. I live right down the street. Hopefully you have a homebrew shop too, because it's an awesome place to discover new products. Go around, touch them, read the instructions, talk to people about how they work, if they like them or not. So support your local homebrew shop, check out what's new. As we get into this wonderful time of the year where it's all about gift giving, we are going to give you guys some gifts so you can build that holiday gift guide. Awesome projects that can be done for you, or give away to that new brewer or whatnot, or even talk to your significant other because you might want some things under that stocking.
Perfect.
Under the stocking?
No, great.
We'll get to the giveaway soon, but first, a word from our sponsor. This month's Free Beer Friday episodes are brought to you by the American Homebrewers Association, an awesome organization committed to keeping homebrewing not only legal in America, but thriving and growing worldwide. Sign up now for a 1-year AHA membership and get your choice of a free book. You get to choose from 60 books written by experts, brewers, and beer lovers worldwide, like Stan Hieronymus, Randy Mosier, John Palmer, M. Sauter, Mitch Steele, Dr. Keith Villa, and more. Find the perfect book to meet your brewing goals. For offer details, visit the link below and sign up for our 1-year membership to the AHA. All right, the first thing on our holiday giving guide and our first giveaway is a Pop Culture's Mead making kit. This is pretty special. We've got a great video. Check out this link to watch the video. You want to win this kit because it is fantastic. Let's just talk about the pop culture line in general. Awesome gifts. It's something the whole family can get involved with. I make sauerkraut with my daughter on a regular basis. So if you just need that simple gift that's gonna make anyone happy, be sure to check out the Pop Cultures line. All right, the next giveaway / gift giving guide item that we think should be on everybody's list is a flash brewing kit. These new kits have been well received. The people who've been brewing have been loving them. They're fast, they're easy. If you have someone who used to homebrew and you think they'd want to try it again, this is the perfect thing for them. You have someone who wants to homebrew but doesn't have the time because they've got kids or whatnot, this is the gift for them. So check them out, Flash Brewing Kits. The Flash Brewing Kit we're giving away this month is the I Heart IPA. We have a bunch of different recipes to choose from, so there's something for everyone. Next up on our gift giving guide and our next giveaway is the VineCo winemaking kits. We are going to be giving away a signature series, which is their high-end Cabernet. These kits are great. They come with everything you need to make wine, especially if you're a home brewer where you already have most of the equipment anyway. So they come with the yeast, the fining agents, all of that, but they also come with a very high quality concentrate, as well as like some of the reds come with skins, everything included, and it's all top-notch high-end. And last but not least on our gift giving guide is the Torpedo Keg. We are gonna give away the 5-gallon Slimline. We love these kegs, and I love these Slimline ones. They're perfect for my kegerator. I can fit 4 of them in there. Kegging is the most awesome thing in homebrew, and man, has it changed in the last 20 years. They stack, and they're also metal handled and metal bottoms, so there's nothing that's gonna come off over time. We have videos on them. We use them all the time, so be sure to check them out because these are great kegs. All right, this project we've been working on all summer long is pretty epic, and I'll tell you all about it. But first, let's start with history. Roughly 13 years ago, we decided we were just in California. Many of you guys are on the East Coast. So we ventured to build an East Coast warehouse. We were getting to customers faster. We're tracking all the metrics saying, hey, this is working out great. Fast forward about 7-8 years, and our inventory of what we carry quadrupled, literally in quantities of SKUs and in dollar volume and all of that. Pretty cool, but we start seeing our time to you go up, and we analyzed that and said, oh, we're having to cross ship a lot. We don't have the inventory in the right warehouse when we need it, and it's gotta be driving some of our customers crazy. So we started working on how do we make that better. We Looked at a lot of stuff, expanding both of them, and decided the best answer is building a mega warehouse, state of the art, in the middle of the country. And that's what we've done. We've built a warehouse we are very proud of. We will do future videos showing it. And all summer long, we've been working on setting it up and working on moving it together. We believe in the industry. We've been in it. We're going on our 30th anniversary next year. So we believe in this industry. We couldn't have done this move without you guys as the customer. We did this move for you guys as the customers, and we look forward to serving you in the future. This allows us to keep our prices awesome, and this allows us to get product to you faster, and we are just beyond the moon excited about it. All right, as always, thank you guys for watching, and please let us know what you think below. Love your comments. Look for the last month's winners' comments and prizes below. We always put them on the Free Beer Friday. To win this month's Free Beer Friday, be sure to go to morebeer.com/Free Beer Friday and enter that monthly giveaway. See you next month. I was like, wait.